चांदोराक व्हडलो इतिहास आसा। चांदोर हे दायज स्थळ म्हूण जाहीर करपाची मागणी विधानसभेतय जाल्ली। त्या उपरांत मुख्यमंत्र्यान उतर दिवन दायज स्थळ म्हूण जाहीर केल्ले। देखून सल्लागारांक एकठांय घेवन फुडली पावलां मारपाक वेग आयला। पळयात पुराय बातमी। सरकारी अधिकाऱ्यां वांगडा कुंकळेचो आमदार युरी आलेमाव, चांदोर पंचायत, चांदोरचे ग्रामस्थ आनी इतिहासकार प्रज्वल साखरदांडेन मेळोन चांदोर दायज स्थळाची पळोवणी केली। त्या उपरांत खाशेली बसका घेतली। लोकांक विश्वासात घेवन आमी मुखार सरतले, विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी युरी आलेमावान उतर दिला। पळयात।
आज जेन्ना चांदोर एक हेरिटेज विलेज जावपाक जाय म्हणून आमी विधानसभेन मुख्यमंत्री कडेन मागलेले आनी त्या वेळार आमकां तेणें उतर दिलेलें आनी हेरिटेज विलेज म्हणून अनाउन्स केली। आनी आज हे जे कन्सल्टंट आमी अपॉइंट करपाक आनी GSIDCचे सगळे ऑफिशियलाक घेवन, पंचायतीक घेवन, विलेज डेव्हलपमेंट कमिटी घेवन, विलेजर्सा लोकांक कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवन आमी हे मुखायल स्टेप पावल मारपाक इन्स्पेक्शनां करून विच आर द हेरिटेज साइट्स. देर इज अ साइट विथ द फोर्ट ऑफ गोवा वॉज हियर ड्युरिंग द कदंबा डायनेस्टी. देर आर सेवरल अदर हेरिटेज हाऊसेस. देर आर सेवरल अराउंड 12-13 साइट्स. नंदीबुल हा सगळे हा. हे सगळे साइटाचे आमी इन्स्पेक्शन करून एक बरो प्लॅन करपाक आनी this heritage village will be a reality only with the cooperation of the people. So the locals also I would request to definitely cooperate with us, and definitely we will make sure that this dream of the people of Chandor having to be called as the heritage village of the state of Goa, and as a road map akke jagbor in the world it will be showcased. So definitely we are working and we are confident that this is going to be a reality.
So
the work has already been started. In the sense, consultants will be appointed shortly, and after being appointed, after inspection, we will definitely, as a DPR detailed project report जातलो, we will put it with the villages, and with their approval, then we will go for tender.
आज लोकांक कितें सजेशन दिलें आता कितें करचें?
Suggestion लोकांकूय दिसता की when ASI comes into play, Archaeological Survey of India, आपणागे बाटा आडकोड जातो काय, आपणागे हेच जातले तेच जातले. सो लोकांक कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवनूय आमी मुखार सरतलो.
Now we are going on an inspection to the society to show them which are the sites, like first fort of Goa, first port of Goa. सगळे ते दाखवून इन्स्पेक्ट करून आणि पळोवपाक जाय. Okay, this is the first fort of Goa that needs to be notified. Maybe ASI could extend its jurisdiction to include the first fort of Goa, but the issue of buffer zones is there. All those things will have to be studied. So this is the preliminary meeting to finally get the first capital of Goa, Chandrapur, or as a heritage village of Goa.
So लोकांनी कितें सजेशन दिलें?
लोकांनी सजेशन दिलां that people should be taken into confidence, people should be asked, आणि ते म्हणजे there are various agencies such as Comunidad, there are many things, na village panchayat fabrika, all of them have to agree on all these sites. 12 sites are identified to be notified as to declare Chandor as a heritage village. I am not saying only heritage village. All the villages of Goa have a heritage, but it should be stressed that it is the first capital of Goa. That is the first heritage of Goa. First heritage village of Goa, because it is the first capital of Goa. First, the father of Goa's freedom movement, T.B. Kunna, was born here. His house is there. Minezul Braganza mentioned he was born there. Bertha Minezul Braganza and Beatriz Minezul, the first women freedom fighters, they were born in the house. So all this history, see, Chandor has a rich history, which is from Boja period. It was the capital of the Bojas, then Kadambas, then Vijayanagar, Musal Khelan, ते सगळे मेन्शन केला. मागीर आदिल शाह, बहामनी, पोर्चुगीज सगळे आसा हांगा.
हेरिटेज डेव्हलपमेंट आणलंय सगळे लोकांनी आपल्याकडे सजेशन दिलं की करपाक ते आता फकत जाताले सगळे पुढे सगळ्यांनी NOC दिवपाक जाय आणि
लोकल्स कोण प्रायव्हेट प्रॉपर्टी आसा,
प्रॉपर्टी आहे आमचे मेन रोडाक विदाउट इंडिया आहा ते आमी सद्या ताका आमी MLA सांगला मेन ते ब्युटिफिकेशन ऑफ लायफ of the road, both the side of the road. ते आमी कित्याक NOC नाका पिडाब्ल्यू आनी NOC मागीर जाल्यार सगळें जाता आमी.
ओके, म्हळ्यार हांगा हेरिटेज विलेज जाता जाल्यार लोकांले सपोर्ट खूब जाय. लोकां शिवाय
जायना न्हू, कोण ऑब्जेक्शन आसलें न्हू, जायत हाडलो आहा. NOC सद्या मेन
तुमी लोकां फुडें वयतले आतां?
वतले आमी गेले फुडें गेले आमचो मार्केट जातालो बरो मार्केट आमकां NOC मेळ्ळो.
गोवा 365 खातीर रमेश नायक रावत, मनीषा जाधव आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू.